to the channel. That's Diane's Decorating and More. Today I'm stopping by the channel to share with you what I'm doing here in the kitchen area. This is where I lay out all of my foods, make all of my pound cakes and everything for you guys since I loaded up on the channel. Want to say thank you for your support this season, this year. Truly appreciate you guys. And to you newcomers that are out there, thank you so much for joining the channel. Please share the channel. That's how we get seen, guys. Okay? I truly appreciate that. Now we're gonna get into finishing off this kitchen here. Finishing everything up, guys, so I can share with you what I've added to the kitchen for this Christmas holiday. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and hang up our wreaths. This year, I decided to hang wreaths in the kitchen just to give it a more pop of red that I'm trying to bring into this year's season and holiday for the home here. So hopefully you will enjoy the little short video that I'm putting together about the kitchen here for you guys on the channel. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and hang up these wreaths, guys. All right, that completes the wreaths that we are hanging up here in the home. And I've also had the multicolored over there, here, and over here as well. And here in the center, to make it stand out, I used the clear lighting because I want it to be the center and the focus of attention. So I'm gonna bring you in now and show you all the finishing touches here. And be sure to like, share, comment on this one. Alrighty, let's get started.
Forget
Well, that's it. That's a wrap for the kitchen, guys. Hope you enjoyed this little short, little mini video here of the counter and the kitchen area. Do like, share, and comment on this one. How you like that centerpiece right there for the kitchen counter, guys? Absolutely gorgeous. Leave your comments. Let me know what you think of this. Okay? All right, you guys go out and have a great one and a wonderful holiday. And we'll see you guys in the next video.